Your skin is your largest organ, and it will absorb any chemicals you put on it. So why not make your own all-natural cleanser? I'm Jackie with How to Make Herbal Skin Cleansing Cream. You'll save time and money and have fun in the process. Crush 1 ounce of herb leaves or 1 ounce of flowers in a cup of water. Pour the mixture into a pot and add another cup of water and cover it. Bring to a boil slowly, especially if you're using flowers. Simmer for about 3 minutes. Cool it, and then strain the leaves and flowers. Refrigerate the mixture for about 2 hours. Melt 1 ounce of lanolin or beeswax in a double boiler and stir in 3 to 4 ounces of almond oil or avocado oil very slowly. Remove it from the heat and mix in 1 ounce of the herb or flower water from the fridge using a whisk. Apply it to your face, avoiding the eyes and lips, and wash off. Making your own skin cleanser gives you all natural ingredients for a radiant glow. I'm Jackie with How to Make Herbal Skin Cleansing Cream. Have a beautiful day.